Desserts have always been hard to resist. They can be the pretext for instant self-gratification, a moment of gluttony, or more simply, just a small daily pleasure. But not all desserts are created equal. Mono portions have gained in popularity recently, and it's not difficult to understand why. Mono portions are suitable for any occasion, make a convenient, practical takeaway, and come in a nearly infinite variety of shapes, colors, and flavors. In other words, something for all tastes. Plus, they make social get-togethers and sharing even more enjoyable. Ice cream mono portions deliver maximum pleasure thanks to a sensation of freshness, no matter what the season. For pastry shops, they represent a chance to increase turnover in the summer, while takeaway sales for home consumption increase thanks to their easy transport, suitable packaging, and the ability to be stored in the freezer. And the good piece of news is that this business opportunity is now within everyone's reach. Catering companies, ice cream parlors, greengrocers, and even farms or small dairies can easily create a laboratory from scratch or adapt their existing facilities, meaning they can add the production of ice cream, frozen patisserie desserts, and mono portions to their business, and all with minimal effort and resources. Any business can quite easily start producing frozen patisserie desserts for sale directly to the public or to third parties without any major problems in terms of production capacity or market scale. There are various different channels, all of them interesting. If selling to third parties, the ho.re.ca industry is a huge potential market, ranging from supermarkets and large-scale retail outlets to bars and restaurants, regardless of any previous expertise in desserts. Ice cream pastries mean you can expand your offer to provide a full menu without having to invest in extra personnel or specific equipment. Desserts are particularly important, as they are often the lasting memory of a meal, greatly influencing a person's opinion of the whole experience. The frozen patisserie dessert production process can be quite straightforward with the right technological solution, especially with express ice cream machines and our lab range, specifically dedicated to this production method. The Gelmatic range currently offers two models, Power Gel and Pastry Gel. Power Gel units dispense a well-structured ice cream at a temperature of between -9 and -13 degrees Celsius for continuous production of ice cream mono portions, the ideal takeaway solution. Pastry Gel machines deliver a softer, more fluid ice cream at a temperature of between -2 degrees and -4 degrees Celsius, perfect for the production of molded ice creams or containers in different shapes and sizes. The correct consistency of the ice cream is crucial when it comes to filling complex shapes. The operating principle is the same for all express ice cream machines. The mixture is placed in a refrigerated hopper to store this in a liquid state and at a constant temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. All models are equipped with a mixer as standard to keep the mixture moving, allowing it to age, improving its storage, and avoiding any separation into solids and liquids. Gear pumps ensure the mixture flows smoothly into the freezing cylinder. A special regulator lets you set the desired overrun percentage. The ice cream is ready to be dispensed just a few minutes after startup. Machine control is simple and intuitive thanks to the technologies developed entirely by Gelmatic, the Getek Ecos, and the more advanced Getek Encodus systems. Both are multilingual and allow for full machine function programming, monitoring, and diagnostics. Express ice cream technology also makes for great flexibility in the use of the different mixtures, and it can easily be adapted to suit specific production needs, as well as the space and equipment available in the lab. Compared to conventional ice cream batch freezers, these machines are more practical and hygienic. Practical nozzles make it possible to fill any mold or container directly from the machine without any intermediate steps. Fresh raw materials or semi-finished powdered products can be used, diluted with water or milk according to the recipe, and then mixed either hot in a pasteurizer or cold by using a simple blender. Alternatively, ready-to-use liquid bases can be used in convenient UHT containers. The express ice cream production process improves and enhances the structure of the product thanks to a high overrun, creaminess and spreadability, even at -18 degrees Celsius. Operators with an emphasis on well-being may rest assured that they can offer ice cream with better nutritional qualities thanks to products with less fat and less sugar. First, pour the Fior di Latte mixture into the hopper and press start. The preparations are placed in the blast chiller. To lengthen the product shelf life, a temperature of -18 degrees Celsius must reach the core of the product. Depending on your distribution and sales needs, after spending time in the blast chiller, mono portions can be placed in a display cabinet or kept in a storage refrigerator and customized to meet customers' requirements. Pour the Fior di Latte and chocolate mixtures into the hoppers and then press start. A range of fruit sorbets can also be prepared in their natural outer skins for restaurants and takeaway outlets. Thanks to the structure of the ice cream, products can be kept in display cabinets at -18 degrees Celsius. If intended for distribution to other points of sale, they must first be placed in a blast freezer. After seeing such a variety of amazing preparations to be eaten on the premises or sold as takeaways, you can easily imagine the added value that our lab machines offer restaurants, ice cream parlors, and pastry shops. Express ice cream production is quick and easy, as there are only a few simple steps before the product is ready to be dispensed continuously. The user interface has been designed to ensure maximum ease of use right from the very start, and every part of the process meets the strictest hygienic parameters. There is very little need for dedicated staff, as no specific skills or experience are necessary. The machine is so user-friendly and the user interface really straightforward. There is no need either to have a range of special equipment. An express ice cream machine and simple, easily available lab tools are all you need. This means that unlike professional pastry ice cream labs, big spaces are not necessary. In fact, such labs require the constant use of freezers, which can only be justified by high output, which in turn calls for considerable space for product storage. The machines in our lab range, on the other hand, offer great flexibility in terms of output and let you determine your own working hours to suit individual needs. A practically infinite choice of recipes in the shortest time.